Good afternoon, traders. This is Coach Alex. I want to just show you, we just had a spike up because of an announcement that the war in Iran might be ending. I want to show you how to get aboard, if you missed that pullback. So what we're going to start doing right now is buying this, what we call the first touch rule area. I'm going long right now. My first fill is 722. We're going to try to buy about 10 points lower and add. If we don't, that's okay. We're looking for 710 to add. Otherwise, as it hooks up, our first target is going to be 763, this area right here. Let me show you. And of course, that we watched the ticks. The ticks were coming down. So this is our first area. Now, the market's going to be closing pretty soon. So that's our target. Our goal is to make a quick $300 to $400. Again, with just a few contracts here. All right, we'll take one off right now. We'll take one off at 56. We're at 56, as you can see it hitting our targets right off of that. Very low risk too. 40-point risk, that's all. And we're still trying to add at 710, so we had to stop underneath if we got filled. We still may get a little pullback in there. That's all we're looking for. A little pullback to add. There's our 710. Now, we load it up a little bit more. Wait till you see this move up. All right, 30 points right off the bat. 37 to 55 target. And if anybody has any left, we'll put it right here, 55 target. See, a lot of people get panicky and they jump in and chase the market up there. You wait till it pulls back. We have some well-defined pullback zones, and then we exit the trade. Smaller accounts can start exiting. Bigger accounts can wait till we get to 55. Order filled. How about that? We're flat. Okay, let me just describe this a little bit. The market's obviously here, it's overbought, right? They made the announcement. So that's a news event. Now, we did call long earlier. Unfortunately, we got out. We didn't know that there was a news event, right? The same kind of trade. You see how it hit this first touch rule area and went up, two swings. We got this and then ran into resistance. Overdone stochastics, right? So we took our profit. I didn't know it was going to keep going. The problem, most small traders, newbies, they see the market going up and they're correct. The market is going higher, right? They want to bet the ranch, and we say don't always bet the ranch. Sometimes you have to be a little shrewd, use a little discretion, because what happened? Traders who did stay long and not stopped out, what do you think is going to happen when it's all the way up there? They're going to start taking profits. Their profit taking is going to drive the market back down. And that's what we do. We anticipate that. We watch the volume. We'll show you how. We have a class on this. And then when the market spurts back up, we take our profit. It's going to still run, but look at it, guys. Do you want to be in a trade with 2 minutes left? You want to be done with it, right? Look at that run at the end. Let's add that to your bag of tricks. Do us a favor, do yourself a favor, like us, subscribe to our channel. We'll produce more videos like this, but then hang out at E-mini-ace.com. Take a 1-month trial. See how good we are. We hit, by the way, you see these support and resistance numbers? Now that was done earlier overnight, but then when we got in there this morning, around 10:30, the market pulled back. That was our upside target before the close. We do this pretty much every day. We've been doing it since 2006. Hope to see you guys in the room. Take a trial, sign up. Otherwise, you're missing out quite a bit of action. Thank you very much.